the deep end more than anyone's ever put me in the deep end, but I like owe pretty much 90% of the things I've learned, practically speaking, because of him and how he taught me. And not many people could have done what I did. Like, not many people, man, I know so many people to this day that would have taken the piss and would be, I can't do this job, it's not for me. Oh, there's too many hours, mate, fuck off. It's like literally what it's saying. That's why there's not many Nicole Walls out there. That's why there's not many Cortezes out there. It like literally take, like when people like get a bit, why is it not working for me? Or like, what are they doing? Man, like, you got to understand, like, it's not easy. And yes, there are going to be sleepless nights. Like, naturally speaking, if you work an 8-hour shift and I work 14 hours and I work smart about it and I just graft it, mate, I'm doing 2 times as much as you.